Hi all, welcome to DB Tech Ninja. Today we will see how we can install the 19C rdbms software in Linux operating system in VMware. So today we will see how we can do that. So these are the steps we are going to follow. First step is to install the RPMs as a root user. Just copy this one and I'll give all these instructions in the description of this video. You can follow the same. So this is my server slash release. You can see my operating system is Oracle Linux Server 7.7. Okay, so here I'm going to install the using I'm going to install the Oracle RPMs. Okay, just give enter. So it will try to install all the dependence RPMs which is required for rdbms software installation for 19C. So for this one, you have to connect to the internet. It will automatically download the RPMs and it will install the same. So it will take some while. So I'm just pausing this video. So once the RPMs got installed, we will have to create the group and the Oracle user for the installation. So adding a Oracle user as a root. So just add one group here. I'm in a root user ID. You can see I'm in a root user. I just added. It is already having because I've already installed the RPMs, right? So it is try to add the group also. So you can see that install and DB already exist because I have already installed the required RPMs. So it is already added the groups. So let's try to add the user also. If it is not added, you can add the same. It could say that it is already added. So we'll do one thing. We'll set the password for Oracle. Passwd Oracle. I'm giving the password as Oracle. So password has been set properly. So next step is to modify the permissions as for the /u01. So I'm giving full permissions for the /u01 mount point df-h. You can see /u01 is there and I have given full permission for that particular directory. And then disable the SC Linux as a root user. So if you see that it is saying that SC Linux is enforced. So we have to disable this one. So I'm giving this command. It will automatically enforce. Or you can do VA this file and come down. I for insert mode. You can give the disabled. Save and exit. That's it. Then create the directory structure as the Oracle user, not the root user. You have to create the directory structure as a Oracle user. Before creating the directory structure, we have to disable the firewalls also as a root user. So let me execute these things. It will automatically disable all the firewalls which stop IP6 tables. If it is not there, it will give you an error. That is fine. If you are using other softwares, it will be helpful for you to disable the IP tables and IP6 tables, chk config and systemctl and service commands. Okay, so now switch to Oracle user. Oracle ID. You can see here ID. I'm as a Oracle user. Okay, so now create the directory structure. mkdir. I'm creating this directory structure. Okay, and also create u01 app or inventory. This is for the central inventory, which will create the inventory.xml, which contains all the Oracle software homes installation information. Like if you install Golden Gate or Grid or rdbms, or if you install 19C rdbms, 12C rdbms, and 11G rdbms information, all the homes information will be there in inventory.xml. Okay. So next, you have to download the software. I have already downloaded the software and kept it in OPT directory. You can see here ls-ltr. So in edelivery.oracle.com, you can download the 19C software, which I have downloaded 19.13. Okay, so you can download the software and you can keep it in OPT directory. Okay, next, go to the Oracle home, which you have created. So I'm just going to the Oracle home directory. You can see here, it is currently empty. Okay, so currently I'm in Oracle home directory and it is currently empty. So you have to unzip this software which is there in /opt. So unzip /opt/ this one, where I'm going to unzip this one in my rdbms home 19 u01 app oracle product 19.0.0 db home _1. Here you have to unzip the rdbms software. Which will take 30 to 45 seconds to unzip all the software. So you can see software has been unzipped in my rdbms home location. So if you do ls-ltr, this is the software, it has been unzipped. So now you have to run the run installer. Okay, as a Oracle user in graphical user interface. This is my putty. You could not able to run the run installer. If you want to run it directly, you can still run it using response file if you want to install the rdbms software in a silent mode. But I'm going to install the rdbms software as a graphical user interface. For that, you need to run the run installer as a Oracle user in graphical user interface. So this is my VMware Linux operating system. So if you just give enter as a Oracle user, I'm going to logging in and the password is Oracle. Right click, open terminal. I have unzipped the software in CD U01 app Oracle product product 19. Here I have the home CD db home _1. Here I need to run the run installer. If you see, I'm in a Oracle user. So just /run installer. So it will pop up with the graphical user interface. So this is the window you can see. So this is the first screen you are going to get. Install Oracle Database 19c installer, step 1 of 9. Okay, here I'm going to install only the software. So select the setup software only. Just click next. Single instance database installation, as we are doing it in only single instance, not the rack. Just give next. We are doing with the enterprise edition. Next. Here it is asking for the Oracle base. I'm keeping the same U01 APP Oracle. It will be useful for creating the traces and alert logs and everything. And this is the software location. This is my rdbms home, which where I unzip the software. So next, inventory U01 APP or inventory, it has been taken by default. So I'm keeping as it is. Here I'm going to give the all the groups as DBA only. Okay, just give next. If you want to run any automatic scripts after this installation, you can mention that. I'm not going to do anything in step 7. Next. It will do the pre-checks, whether my OS, RPMs, memory, hard disk, everything is sufficient as per the Oracle recommendations or not. So it has been successfully completed with the pre-checks, and it has been given the glance of where it is going to install the RDBMS, where it has been taken the Oracle base, software location, and what are the privileges we have given, and what is the inventory location we have given. So these are the locations we have selected. So just give install. So it will take minimum 10 to 15 minutes to complete the installation. As per your operating system speed, it will take some time. So I'm pausing this video for now. So it has been popped up with to run these two scripts as a root user. The following script needs to be executed as the root user. One is U01 APP Ora inventory Ora inst root.sh, and in your rdbms home you have root.sh. So first I'm going to take this one. As a root user, I need to run this one. So currently I'm in Oracle user. Let me do su hyphen and the password is welcome. And I'm in root user. So U01 APP Ora inventory Ora inst dot root. Ora inventory Ora inst root dot sh. It is asking us to run. Just give enter. The script has been completed. In the same way, in your Oracle home, U01 APP Oracle product and DB home CD. In your rdbms home, you have root.sh. So you need to run this one /root.sh. Enter completes. So let's come here. So we have done with running these two for inst root.sh and root.sh. Just click OK. So the registration of Oracle database was successful. So this completes your rdbms installation. So if you see whether your rdbms is installed or not, let's come to the cd su hyphen Oracle cd u01 app Ora inventory. Here you can see contents XML directory. Go to that. Here you could see the inventory.xml. If you just do the cat, don't do vi. If you modify anything, it will corrupt your file and it will mislead some complications. And you can see that U01 APP Oracle product 19C 19001 DB home _1 has been installed. And this completes your rdbms software installation. Next video, we can see how we can create the database using DBCA, Database Configuration Assistant. Okay. Thank you all. Subscribe the channel DB Tech Ninja. Thank you.